Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Hello, good morning, all of you. So sorry for little delay today. So due to some urgent work, so came just now. I went out and just came now. So okay, now we will start today's session. So in the last session about the Python modules, we discussed, guys, about the Python modules we discussed in the last session. Okay. So today we will continue the same session with packages related. Okay. So here previously about the modules related, what is the module, purpose of the modules, how to creating the module, how many types of module there, okay, and how many ways we can importing the modules, how to renaming module, how to reloading module. These all things we discussed today. And next about the dir function related, purpose of the dir function and purpose use or else the purpose of the help function. So we discussed and the differentiation between the documentation string and multi-line comments. So this is also we discussed, guys. Documentation string, by using _doc variable, we can access it. Okay. So now today we will discuss about the Python. We will discuss about the Python package concept, guys. Python packages concept. So this is a small topic only. This is a small topic only. It's related to modules only. Okay. So here a package is nothing but a folder only. A package is nothing but a folder only. Generally in our system drives, guys, D drive, E drive, F drive, several drives there. So in our drives, a number of folders we are creating. So a directory which is contains one Python initialization file. A directory which is contains one Python initialization file, then that directory is considering like a Python package. Okay. So a directory is nothing but a folder only. A directory which contains a Python initializing file, or else initialization file, a directory which contains a Python initialization file, then we can consider that directory as a Python package. Then we can consider this directory. Then we can consider this directory as a Python package. Understanding? So a directory nothing but a folder which contains the Python initialization file. Then we can consider that directory or that folder as a Python package. Okay. So in Python initialization file, we are representing by using _init _.py. Okay. So in Python initialization file, we can represent using _init _.py file. Okay. So this one, guys, a separate file is there, special file, initialization file we are calling. In Python initialization file, we are representing using the init file. In which folder this initialization file is available, then that folder is considering like a package only. Okay. So a package can contains a package may contains collection of a package may contains a collection of functions, modules, classes, and variables. Okay. A package may contains the collection of functions, modules, classes, and variables. Okay, so remember this one. Simply, a package can contains the you can remember this one. A package can contains the collection of sub packages, or modules. Okay. A package may contains the collection of sub packages or modules, or collection of modules. Simply this one, collection of modules. A package may contains the collection of sub packages or collection of modules. A module may contains a module may contains a module may contains so here a module may contains just wait here. This one. A module may contains a collection of functions. A module may contains collection of functions, classes, and variables. This point remember. So module contains the collection of functions or classes or variables. Classes coming days you will understanding. Already functions you know, variables you know. Okay. So here a function contains collection of statements, with the related task as every function having some behavior. So that particular task related statements we are writing. Okay. So a function contains the collection of statements. Whenever we are calling that function name, we are executing this collection of statements. So collection of functions or collection of classes or collection of variables all together may available inside a module. Okay. So again, collection of modules or collection of sub packages are available inside a package. Okay, this term you need to be remember, guys. So see here, I have one function like add function here. So this is one add function and this is one subtraction function related. So add function is there and one more is subtraction function. So here add function related number of lines of logics available and subtraction related number of lines of logics created. Okay. So a function which contains the collection of statements for using them using the function name. Okay. And now a module is nothing but a collection of functions, guys. A module is nothing but a collection of functions. Okay. Remember this one. Yes. Just wait here. Just wait. I'll put charging. Okay, guys. See here, these two are the functions. So, and these the two functions available in a module. So simply like a module one dot py. Every module is nothing but like a Python file. We discussed it, guys. Every module is like a Python file. Okay. So now a module may contains a collection of functions. Same like this, collection of variables also may available. Some x equal to 10, some y equal to 20, like a collection of data variables also may available. Collection of classes also may available. So right now classes we didn't discuss it, that's why not creating here. Okay. So simply collection of functions which are having some reusable statements there. So now what is the purpose of module means? So module contains this collection of functions with reusable logics. So with reusable variables also. So these collection of functions or classes or data variables, we can reuse in another module. I have one more module. So this entire module, we can import inside the another module. So this is another module, module2.py. So here we are importing. How to importing several ways we discussed. So directly also we can import module one, just name only enough, .py is not required. So import module one, it means next onwards module one dot add function, module one dot sub, module one dot x, module one dot y, like we can use it. Otherwise, if you want, you can also import like from import from module one, import so and so. From module one, import add. Like if I'm importing, okay, or else here if I'm using star, then all the properties add, sub, x, y, all are importing. Okay, or else a specific property only you can access, you can import it. That is all your wish. So this module one related all the properties I'm using into the module two. And in the module two, different properties. If you want, you can develop it. Understanding? Okay, this is the module two related behavior. So next, package is nothing but a folder. This is like a one folder. This is like one folder. So this is we are considering like a package. Package is nothing but like a folder which contains some modules. See, module one.py, module two.py, like modules there contain some sub packages also. Means again subfolders there. For example, this is one folder. Inside that, again some modules may available. Okay, inside that some modules may available. Okay, so now here a package may contains collection of modules or sub packages. I said modules or sub packages. I said. So here this is a folder. In this folder, module one is there, module two is there, guys. Two modules there. So module one contains function one, function two. Module two contains function two, function three, function four, like all together is there. So this is a package. This is a package. This package, if we want to use in another module, or else in another package. Okay. So for example, this is a module 3.py assumption. So now here this is a package, and this one is a module 1.py, and this one is a module 2.py. Okay, so this one is simply f1 function 1, f2 function 2, and now here f3 function 3, and f4 function 4, like several properties there. Okay, so now these all things we can import inside this module 3. So if I'm using directly import package, directly package only if I'm importing, okay, package means this one. Then inside this module 1, module 2, its properties all there. So next package dot module 1 dot so and so function, like we can use it. So otherwise you can import another variation from package, import from package, import module 1 if I'm using. Then from this package, so only this piece only you are importing. Only this particular section only you are importing. From the so-and-so package importing module 1. Next onwards, so if you want to be use this module 1 related properties, module 1 dot f1 like we can use it. Module 1 dot f2 like we can use it. So module 2 related properties we are unable to use it. Understanding this one? So like this, we can reuse it. So now here, this is telling like this is like a folder. When this folder is considering like a package means in which folder we are having a initialization file. Module 1.py Python file. Module 2.py is a Python file, and one more Python file here with the name double underscore unit double underscore dot py. Okay, this is also one file. So now here, totally 3 modules there. Module 1.py, module 2.py, initialization.py. Like totally 3 files available in this package. So in which folder, this is a folder, in which folder we are having a initialization file, then Python is considering this folder is like a Python package. All of you clear this one? So general folders also may contains modules, but that is not a package. When it is considering like a package means if available this initialization file. Okay, so that point remember. And initialization file is a empty file, not having any Python related coding. And if you want, you can create some coding also inside the initialization file. And those modules inside the initialization file, what are the modules or functions are loaded, those all things directly we can import in another module. Okay, that is the purpose of the package. All of you clear about the package? Simple definition only important. Same like Python modules only we are creating. Generally one folder, inside that one initialization file we are creating. That's enough about the package. Later inside that number of modules we are creating, every module contains a number of functions with the logics like that. Okay. So now we will create one package and we can access that. See here. Okay, now here and D drive 8 a.m. So here modules like we created, these all files we created in the last session. And now here I want to be create in 8 a.m. Python modules. So one folder I want to be created with the name as like a my app, simply like a my app, like one folder name I'm creating. So yes, my app folder I created. So inside this MyApp folder, so I want to be create one more folder like my package, like my package I created, guys. So this is a folder. So in the module, up to this module is a root directory. So here one folder with my app I created. Inside that, so one folder I created with the name as my package. Now my app is a folder. My pack is also a folder, but this my package I want to be considered like a Python package. So when it is considered like a Python package means in this folder, if I'm creating any initialization file, then considering like a package. So right now, ideally, you can open, ideally you can open and now create some Python files. So control yes, okay, not this one, control N, new file, control yes, saving, choose folder location. In 8 a.m., we have a module inside that my app, inside that my package. So now here I'm going to be creating double underscore the unit double underscore the dot py, save it. Okay. So now you can see here, this is a just initialization file. So which is available in the my package folder. Okay, I'm going to be closing this one. Okay. Okay, I will create another one. Control N, Control S. So in this my package folder only, one more module I want to be created. For example, one greet one greet dot py. My module name is like a greeting.py. So like I created one module. So which name contains like greet.py. This initialization file I will close. This like empty file only. And with all sizes you can reduce it. Okay, now here the greet related some code you can write. Def say hello, or else simply message. Def message of name like writing. And now here print f string concept we can use. In Python string concept, f string I explained. So now here hello, hello, hello so and so name, like we will get it. So if I'm sending Virat, hello Virat, like displaying. If I'm sending Rohit, hello Rohit, like displaying. Okay, just name I'm displaying. Okay, so now here this is one function. In this great function, in this great module, in this great module, we have a one function, message function. It will display message. Okay, okay. So this is I'm closing right now. Okay, one more control yes. So we need to be choose our folder in modules, my app, my package. One more thing I'm going to write my functions. Functions or my functions, whatever. My functions dot py, like I'm creating. This is another module, second module with the name as my functions dot py. So here I want to be create some functions. So now here sum of x comma y, sum of x comma y, return x plus y. This is one function. Sum of def power of so like a power function I'm creating. Power of x comma y, x comma y return. So x star star y is a power. Okay, x star star y means x to the power of y, meaning x to the power of y. Next, def def average average x comma y, average function, then x plus return x plus y by 2. Okay, so here x value, y value is adding. Okay, finally one sum we are getting, that sum by 2 we are dividing, and the average value we are getting. Okay, so okay, sum of power function, average function, like three functions I created in this my functions dot py. Are we clear this one? So now you can check it. So go to your folder location, see here. This one is like a package. We can consider now my package name is like is a package. Why means here one initialization file is there and two modules there. One is a greet module, one is my functions module. Understanding? A package may contain some modules, I said, and one initialization file also there. And every module may contains a collection of functions or collection of classes or collection of variables. Just now I used in these two modules, functions only I used. All be clear? Functions only I used. Okay. Yes. So now these all things I want to be use it, guys. These all things I want to be use it. So in this my app, this is like a folder. Here we have a package. So up to this folder location, my app folder. So this is not a package. Why means here no initialization file. Inside this folder we have another folder, but in this folder we have a initialization file. That's why this folder we are considering like a package. So now in this up to this folder, my app folder, open the command prompt. Open the command prompt. Yeah. Okay. And now here the Python you can type. Then Python prompt. We got it. So now here in this location, we have a package, my package. There we have a two modules, greet module and my functions module. We can import them and we can use them. So right now see here, average of average of 2 comma or else 10 comma 20. If I'm using, see here, name error, name average is not defined like we are getting. Means here global function average is not there. So that's why throwing here. Next I will import. So from my package, my package. So this is our folder, my package folder. From this package, import import star. If I'm using star, it means greet and my functions all together importing here, all together importing. So if I'm using here from my package, just like greet, if I'm using, then only greet module from the package. This is a package, and here the greet module and my functions module, two modules there. Only this greet module I imported means we are unable to use this my functions related module. Okay. Now here next greet module having one message function, message of see here message function with empty I'm using, then it throws error, type error, message function missing one required positional argument name. So here one name attribute is there, one name parameter is there, we need to be pass the value to them. So now here Rohit, like I'm using, and then see here hello Rohit, hello Rohit printing. Understanding this one, all of you? So now here next I'm going to use greet my functions related. So here my functions, my functions having sum function, sum of 10 comma 20, like I'm using. See, name error, name my functions is not defined. So here in this my package, we have a my functions. This is not defined. So here not imported, not imported. So that's why name error, my functions is not defined like in memory allocation, not defining this one. Okay. So that is showing problem. So now here, if you want this one also, so same like above message, from my package, import my functions, from my functions, like we can import it. Okay. So otherwise here, simply see here, this is a package. From this package, my functions means this is a module. All of it clear? From this package. So in this package, we have a two modules, guys. In this package, we have a two modules. One is a greet module, one is a my functions module. So out of two, so I'm choosing what? My functions. So my functions I choose it. Again, in this my function, one sum function, one average function, one another one is a power function like multiple there. So from these my functions, import what you want to be imported, that is you can represent here. So if I'm using a star, means all are imported. If I'm using any one property, only that specific property only importing. Okay, so that one remember. From the package dot module import import sum I'm using, and power I'm using, power I'm using. So here the sum and power only I imported. So but here how many are there? Sum, power, average there. Average not imported. So now I can use the sum of 20 comma 30. Then see here sum of 20 comma 30, 50 we are getting. And the next power of 2 to the power of 5, then 32 we are getting. Power of to the power of 5, then 32 we are getting. 2 5 times multiplying 32 we are getting. Okay. So now here another one is a average function 20 comma 30 average I'm trying to be find out. So name error, name average is not defined we are getting. Means we imported only sum and power only, but not average function. Okay. So here if I'm importing average also, then here average of 20 comma 30, like we can get it. So 20 comma 30, 50, 50 by 2, 25, like we are getting. Come on, let me know in the chat box. Are you clear about this package? It's just like module, but generally it's like a folder. Inside that one initialization file we are creating. And one package may contains a number of modules. One module may contains a number of functions. One function may contains a number of statements. A number of statements. Like you need to be remember it. So right now you are learning this all modules, packages related. So package, how to creating package contains what? This point if you are having knowledge, that's enough. Okay. So later after getting some experience, guys, after getting some experience, keep doing practice. So by writing some high level logics, so our package we can register with Python index, guys. PYPI is there. PYPI means Python package indexing. Python package indexing is there. Okay. So our module right now, our package is what? My package. Here I created one sum function, one for function, one average function means one module I created in this my package, one module called my functions. These three properties I created, and one more module, greet module, there one message method, message function I created. Okay, these all are available in this package. Package contains two modules. These two modules contains four functions. Okay, so this module, if I want to be registered with this Python package index, so we need to be follow some high level setup coding. So if everything is fine, then our module is going to be registered with this PYPI index, Python package index. So the modules which are available here, the modules which are registered with this Python package indexing, then those modules other people also can access in their missions using the pip command, they can install it, guys. Using the pip command, they can install, they can use it. For example, right now I created, if I'm registering this my package with this Python package index location, then in your system using pip command, you can download this my package. Inside the two module there, four functions there, whatever you want, you can use them. All of you clear this one? Okay. So here, today I will upload, guys, there is modules related materials and functions related material, not material, questions, interview-based questions, functions related and modules related. So all I will upload in the portal. So go through the questions, then subjective understanding. Now here this package is there. Okay, just now using this console, Python console, we accessed it, guys. So the same logics are the same logics. So you can create one more module. In that module, you can import this one. There you can reuse it. So module purpose is what? Mainly reusability only. So right now here one package contains two modules. Two modules contains the four functions with required logics. These all things, whatever you want, those things you can import and use it in another module. So create one more module like module 3 or else some test.py like one test module creating. So there we can import and we can use it. There we can import and we can use it. Hmm. See, this is up to the command prompt I opened. I mean, where is our package is available? Up to that, this command prompt I opened here. Okay, this is not general command prompt. It's like a Python prompt. Okay, so now here we have ideally, we have a ideally here. Okay, so here the same line you can see here. So this line, I'm going to be importing. This line I'm going to be importing. Okay, now you can see here, module not found error we are getting. Module not found error. This is the Python ideally. This is the Python C drive available this ideally. So here what I said starting up to our folder location. This is our folder location, my app. Up to this, you need to be open the command from. There you can enter the Python. Means in this location, we have a Python package. Okay, this is available in this location. So up to that directory we can open and we can execute it. We can execute it. Okay, so remember that. For example, inside this my package, so this grid file I want to execute a grid file. Okay, so now here command prompt you can open. So up to the my package we got it up to the my package. So simply here Python great Python great.py. So whenever we are executing, so then inside that, if any print statement there, those all statements are going to be executing. So right now, greet inside that one message function is there. That is, we are not calling inside this file, inside this Python file. If we are calling message function, then we are getting output also. Okay. So where this particular file is available, up to there we need to be open, and there we can execute it. There we can execute it. Are you clear this one? So in the Python, ideally module not found error like we are getting. So if you want this module, okay, this module, if you want, first of all, we need to be installed globally. We need to be installed the globally. If we want to be installing the globally using the pip command, we need to be install it, guys. So then for that, so one setup function is there. These all are the high level things you will get confusing right now. So first time you are seeing the packages. So far, whatever I'm explaining, you can follow these all things without getting any confusing. Do practice. So end of the days, one fine day, I will explain this package related globally, how we are installing using the pip command. First of all, how we are creating the setup file, and later using the pip command, how we are installing this setup file, and later how we are using the file, this particular setup file globally, how we can use it. These things later we will discuss. Don't worry. Okay. So remember up to this is about the package related, guys. This is about the package related. So today I'll upload one material. There also will available these all points, a setup file, how to creating all things. So just try in your side. Okay, don't get confusing if you are not understanding. So in future I will take care one day. Okay, one program I will show you creating setup file and executing all the things. Okay, so just